The southern white rhino is an endangered animal that we saw on our field trip to the zoo. The southern white rhino lives in savannas, forests, and river valleys. They also live in eastern and southern Africa. These rhinos can be anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 pounds, and they can get as tall as 5 or 6 feet. Southern white rhinos are able to live anywhere from 25 years to 45 years. The southern white rhino eats grass and other plants. A group of rhinos is called crash. The white rhino is not white in color at all. It is a brownish gray. White comes from wait, a Dutch word meaning wide, and wide refers to the shape of its lips. Rhinos have good hearing but bad eyesight. The white rhino is also known as a grass mower because it likes to eat and pull up short grass and leaves from its habitat. Southern white rhinos were once extinct. In 1897, there was as little as 30 rhinos left in the wild. Now, after more than a century, many years, the white rhino numbers are around 11,000. So they are becoming more and more and more. However, they are still endangered and are still trying to not become extinct. And some of the reasons why they're becoming extinct is because they are being hunted, and also because their habitat is becoming less and less because people are tearing down the trees or building in the area where they once lived. So think about how could we help the southern white rhino from not becoming extinct?